Tomorrow morning, the defense will call witnesses in the impeachment trial of suspended Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton. Today, there was drama and confusion in the state capitol where the trial is taking place.
It is a case that has been full of twists and turns, and our Matt Doherty is live with an overview of all the surprises today. Matt?
And nobody expected the prosecution would rest its case today, but it did, apparently by accident. Take a listen.
This time the House of Managers rest.
He just rested without a cross-exam.
I messed up and shouldn't have rested until he finished his cross.
And yet you did.
Excuse me.
Houston lawyer Rusty Hardin says he misspoke in court today, accidentally resting the prosecution's case. He says he only meant to pass the witness. But Ken Paxton's attorney, Houston lawyer Tony Busby, wouldn't allow the slip to slide. Now, starting tomorrow morning, it'll be Busby's job to present Ken Paxton's defense. None of this was expected today. The prosecution originally had more than 100 people on their witness list. They hadn't come close to that number by today, day 7 of the trial.
They haven't definitely put on as strong case as they could have. They had evidentiary issues they couldn't get past. They had some witnesses they couldn't get up there. So they haven't been able to do everything they wanted to do. The question is, did they do enough? And that's really in the hands of the jury. They're going to have to decide if they think that the prosecution has met the burden of proof, which is pretty high in this case.
In another surprise this afternoon, Attorney General Ken Paxton's alleged mistress did not have to testify after all. Laura Olson showed up to the Capitol this morning and appeared ready to take the stand. But Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick announced late in the afternoon that both sides agreed Olson was, quote, unavailable to testify.
Now, it's believed that Olson planned to plead the Fifth and not answer most of the questions. That's why both sides decided to release her of giving testimony, just so that they would make time for other testimony. As for Ken Paxton, he was not there in person once again today. However, shortly after all of that drama started to unfold, he tweeted that he would be doing an interview in the coming weeks with former Fox News host Tucker Carlson. Back to you.
We'll pick it up from here, Matt. Thank you.